তাহলে যদি তুমি আমাকে কোশ্চেন করে, if anybody asks you question about life cycle of virus, what are the types of life cycle in virus? What you will answer? Lysogenic phase and lytic phase. Which among these two phases do you think that is the more infectious phase? Lytic phase, because the infection spreads. Okay, the virus spreads. Lysogenic phase is also known as a dormant phase. Do you agree? Dormant phase. What if they ask you a question? What do you mean by central dogma of molecular biology or life? DNA gets converted. Can you tell the name of the enzyme that DNA gets converted to messenger RNA? The process is known as transcription. How do you know this? Good. Transcription. The process of conversion. The process of conversion of RNA. DNA into RNA is known as transcription. Good. Transcription. Very good. Okay. And what is the copying of DNA known as? DNA replication. Good. And what is messenger RNA getting converted into proteins with the help of ribosome known as? Translation. Good. Translation. Translation is conversion of proteins. That is known as translation. Very good. Yes. Absolutely correct. Okay, absolutely correct. So up to this much you understood. Is this clear to you? Okay. Now, how virus, proteome, genome. Acha, tell me one thing to you told. Can I ask you a conceptual question now? Coronavirus or many viruses carries RNA. That means enters RNA. Then how do you think the RNA goes into the lysogenic phase and attaches with the DNA? RNA shouldn't attach with the DNA. How does this happen? To attach with the whole genome, RNA, there should be DNA, no? There should be virus DNA, then it will be converted into messenger RNA, then it will be converted into protein. If virus itself has RNA, how does this entire explanation, sir, in the previous videos, does even calculate? How?
DNA.
It converts into DNA. Very good, Shreyashi. The RNA gets converted into DNA, and the enzyme which converts DNA into a messenger RNA, that process is known as transcription. The enzyme is transcriptase. The enzyme is known as transcriptase. Are you getting my point? Or RNA polymerase. Or RNA polymerase. Like DNA replication is done by DNA polymerase, RNA production is done by RNA polymerase. Or transcriptase. It is also known as transcriptase. But if RNA needs to be converted into DNA, like in the case of the what we can say, like in the case of the virus here, which is carrying corona, which is carrying RNA as its genome, it should get converted into DNA inside the cell, so that it can either enter into lysing or lysogenic cycle. So in that case, they do also carry in their capsid an enzyme known as reverse transcriptase.
মানে সবকিছু প্যাকিং করে নিয়ে এসেছে।
Yes. It carries a reverse transcriptase. These reverse transcriptase will also enter with the RNA in the cell, will convert it into DNA, and then the cell will start doing mistake. That it is my DNA, let's convert it into messenger RNA, let's convert it into protein, and will make viruses instinct, making on protein. In case of DNA, viruses, so no problem. Is this clear to you? You know what? This reverse transcriptase enzyme do not have proofreading activity. Do not have proofreading activity. Do you know what is up to this much you understood? When the video is happening, just click the photo option. Like a photo now
हाँ सर हाँ नीचे
Let me rub this. We have taken photo, we will send you photo. Let me just rub one portion. Let me rub. What do you mean by proof reading activity? Let me tell you a story. Suppose there is an office of Anandabazar Patrika, AVP. Okay. And now in the office of Anandabazar Patrika, this what is your name? Shrija what? This Shrija Kundru become a reporter. Okay. So reporter Shrija Kundu wrote an article. Hrithik Roshan is very handsome. See? Hrithik Roshan is very handsome. She wrote. But the editor of the Anandabazar Patrika is Riyami what? Is Riyami Barua. Riyami Barua changed it to Hrithik Roshan is very, 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 very handsome. This is called editing. Right or wrong? Now this editor will send it to a proofreader. Mainly proofreading is done by the editor only. Okay. Maybe this is Shrija Kundu, senior is Riyami Barua. She is very, very, very handsome. And now the proofreader will do what? The proofreader will proofread this, that if there is any spelling mistake, anything, and if there is a mistake, okay, then she will correct it. And this was Sneha. What Sneha? What? Sneha Parmakar. Sneha Parmakar edit, proofreaded it and corrected it to Hrithik Roshan is very to the power infinity handsome. Now that will come to you. Okay, Srinjay will read. Srinjay is the reader. He will read. Oh, Hrithik Roshan is very to the power infinity handsome. I have to be like Hrithik Roshan. Then Riyami, Srija, Srija, Raina, and Sneha, all of them will be after me. Hey! So Srinjay will read and Srinjay will understand that okay, then Riyami this, that, everybody should be after me, I should be like Hrithik Roshan. So this is the message he is getting. But how is he getting the message? After so much of, let us imagine that this Shrija Kundu is the DNA replicator. Okay. You understood this? So this is clear, right? This is understood? Okay. Now what happens is, if you have understood this story, there is DNA. DNA will replicate and make DNA. DNA polymerase is responsible for it. Right or wrong? This DNA polymerase, suppose there are so many copies A, T, U, A, T, T, G, C, T, T, A, G. Now suppose the copies that are being made has done a mistake. Like for example, this is Shrija Kundu writing the article. It is similar as making the DNA. Who was the next editor? You know? Yeah. Now, this DNA polymerase itself has proofreading activity. Means the activity of Riyami, what she was doing. Or you, Sneha, whatever you were doing. Are you getting my point? You will correct it if there is a mistake.